Hello YouTubers, this is going to be a review on these shooting pellets, cleaning shooting pellets I found off of eBay. Look pretty good, pretty decent pellets, bigger than the other ones that are sold. So the manufacturer says use 3 pellets after every shooting day. So we're gonna test these and see how they work. So I'm gonna take off my silencer because I don't want anything to stain the buffles. Okay, and try this out. Let's see, I can. Now I'm going to use a towel to catch this. You should probably use a box or something else. Let's see. Oh wow. Oh wow, that went right through it. That make a big hole in the towel. Wow. Can't seem to find it. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is how it became. They say that these expand in the barrel when you shoot. I already shooted mine several times, so it's clean, but trust me, it's full of black dirt and lead on here. And you can also use your own cleaning oil when using this. So that's about it. I'll include a link on the eBay seller if anyone is interested in buying it. Bye.